Ooh, you hear the spring up. Piang, piang.
係
Is it a pixel? The other one with like the wide sides? Yeah, I'm gonna. Okay, fine. I'll do it. I'll finish everything. Hopefully. I don't even know if I have 80 switches on the side, but yes. Welcome in. Olivia. Hi. Yes. It's a Polybius. I see we have another Polybius enjoy. Yeah. Hi. Welcome in. Hi. Jesus. Yes. I agree. My favorite set. Jesus. What are these going into? Wait, let me finish this up real quick. It's going into this. Yeah. I'm kinda just trying out looping on some browns. Like trying to get used to looping, I guess. So, yeah, Tiger. Good. I love Tiger. It's I don't know, I like the color and everything. Like the transparent Tiger is nice. Yeah, hi. I did not expect to see you guys here.
Hi.
I can't stop saying hi. Hi. Oh
Yeah,
my
man.
god, it's my favorite Instagram keyboard influencer. Share. Look at this dude. Look at his confidence. Okay, this is the whole keyboard. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye. I'm done. Bye. Hi. It's been 7 hours. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna type. We're gonna type. We're gonna type. Come. Bro. It sounds like a keyboard. Yeah. Dude, yeah. Look at this. 100. Ooh. Anyways, thank you all for staying with me, keeping me sane. Uh, I forgot how to speak. Bye. Thanks for coming. Bye. Bye. See you next time. Maybe. Bye. Bye. Bye.